If you want to add a cover photo to your Facebook profile, you can do that. The cover photo isn't your Facebook profile picture, it's different. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to add a cover photo. First, open the Facebook application. Then, at the top, you'll see 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines. When you click on that, you'll see your profile name. Click on your profile name. After that, sometimes you'll see your current cover photo at the top, or if you haven't uploaded one, it might look like this. What you need to do is click on that area. When you do, you'll see options for upload photo and choose cover photo. If you want to upload a photo from your gallery, just click on upload photo, then select the photo you want from your gallery. Or, if you'd rather use a photo from your Facebook profile, click on choose cover photo. You'll see an uploads option there, and you can pick any photo you want from it. These are the photos available in your Facebook profile. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, if you want to share it to your newsfeed, you can check this box. That means a post will show up on your profile saying you've changed your cover photo. But if you don't want that post, just uncheck the box. Anyway, I'm unchecking it. Then, at the top, you'll see a save button. Click on the save button. Once you do that, your cover photo will be updated. So, that's how you can easily change your Facebook cover photo. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.